Well, hello there. You wouldn't guess where I am? Can you guess? Not really. But, just want you to have a little bit of a guess. Today's cooking lesson, we're going to be in an apartment, in a local apartment, and you wouldn't guess where we are because, you're not here with me, so maybe next time. I'm in Favara, in Agrigento. So we travelled about 2 hours out of Palermo this morning. We had a little bit of a rest and we came to Favara. Favara is a beautiful town about 10-15 minutes out of Agrigento, where my wonderful partner, AnnaLisa Pompei from GoSicily cooking classes, runs her own cooking classes in her beautiful little apartment. Well, it's not a little apartment, it's a beautiful vintage kitchen. So we're going to go and slowly come through. Jordana is doing a cooking class with her, and maybe you can see her little logo there. GoSicily. So when you are looking for AnnaLisa, you look up GoSicily IT and you can find her. And this is her beautiful little apartment she set up for us today. Isn't it gorgeous little vintage kitchen? And she set up the beautiful table for us to have something to eat. And we're making cavatelli. So she showed Jordana how to make two types. One with the rustic fork and one just with the thumb. And Jordana is having a go at it and she's doing very well. So here are the beautiful ladies.
Hi.
AnnaLisa and Jordana.
Hi everybody.
There you go. So here she's teaching them how to make this, and we'll go a little bit closer so you can have a look.
Yes.
There.
We are making curly cavatelli, so just a bit different from the most traditional way, and they are made just pushing the dough.
There you go.
On the fork. Look again. So
awesome.
So the same movement on the fork.
Awesome.
So I show you the straight cavatello that is made by thumb in this way.
Awesome.
Again. In this way, and this is the same movement but on the fork.
Beautiful. How's
way.
that? And there's... So you've just had a cooking class with AnnaLisa, and here's Jordana. She's been travelling all of Sicily with me.
Ciao.
Enjoying the cooking, the culture, the experience, and taking that home with her, because at the end of the day, you can't take things home with you. It's the experience that counts. And it's people like AnnaLisa that make the experience worth it, because she's unique. She's been in Favara most of her life, and she teaches from her heart, from her roots, and from her soul. So you can't get a better teacher than that. So, see you soon. Bye.